See where she's in. My little fish can swim. Come on, Jamal. Jonathan, swim across the pool. Swim across the pool. Show everybody you can swim. You're being videoed. Come on, let me see you.
Why don't you come out here? Everybody on your Facebook want to come once you see you swim.
That water's ice. That's crazy.
Mom, I went to the bunny 5 times.
Swim over there. Swim to the bottom. Let me see you. Don't get in there if you're not sure of yourself. I can't save your life, man.
We might go over to the what?
I feel better if you wait till you one of your parents with you out here in the sea pen.
Can you swim?
I want to see you swim over there. I want to see you swim across that whole pool.
And then you can come over here. I did.
I didn't see you.
Come on, Doctor.
I'm going to see you this
I need
time.
somebody to swim with.
Jamal, what are you doing over here? You just come chill on the ball? Look up. Say hey, Facebook.
No.
Look at my baby's new bathing suit. Don't splash me. Alright. He ain't swimming, he's walking across the pool. That is not swimming. That is walking.